something that flies?
Yes.
An airplane.
No. This is not we made. God made.
Oh, it's God made.
Yeah.
Oh. How does it fly?
Because he is a wing.
Because it has wings?
Yeah.
Oh.
Any color of rainbow.
It can be any color of the rainbow? Is it only one color or can be many colors?
Many color. Many color under my body, or only one color, two color. And this is in everywhere.
It's everywhere?
Yes. This one is in Korea too.
Oh, we have it in Korea too?
Yes.
If I go outside, can I see it?
Yes. Everywhere. In the trees up there.
I can also see it on the trees? Okay. It must be a bird.
Ding dong ding.
So what else did you do?
Carrot cook.
You cooked carrots?
Yeah.
Oh, what else did you cook?
Egg.
How did you cook the eggs?
Cutting and cook.
Cutting and cooking the eggs?
Yeah.
So did you put all of those together to make something?
Not real.
Oh, not real.
Yeah.
It was pretend?
Yes. But it's sandwich.
You made a sandwich?
Yeah.
Oh, was it a tasty sandwich?
Yes.
What else did you put on the sandwich?
Delicious cake.
You put cake on a sandwich?
Yeah.
Oh.
A little bit.
A little bit of cake? Oh, so it was like a sweet sandwich?
I put the salty.
You put salty and sweet sandwich?
Yeah.
Whoa! Can you trace egg?
There was a tree, and and every day the boy went home, and he looked at her leaves.
Bingo! Kangaroo! Koala! Okay, what is the name of this? Very good, that's the sun. Where is the sun in our solar system? Yeah, very good. Yeah. Then, what is the first planet that goes around the sun? Okay, what is the second planet that goes around the sun? Venus. What is the third planet that goes around the sun? Earth. Yes. Mars. Jupiter. What is the... Uranus. And then, last one? Neptune. And what do you call all of this together? Solar system. Very good. Which planet is your favorite planet? Saturn? Why do you like Saturn? Here we have the life cycle of the... Oh, good job. We start with the... Uh-huh. Oh, very nice, Sonu.